Hello friends, welcome to Testing Shala YouTube channel. In this video, I will be focusing on what are the salaries for software tester. Especially I am talking in this video for manual testers. So what the salaries they would be getting in Indian cities. So I will be covering in this video what are the salaries normally people do get across Indian cities as a software tester in India. So let us move forward to understand what are the salaries. Before I provide more details about the salaries in Indian cities for a software engineers, especially for manual tester, if you guys are not subscribed to Testing Shala YouTube channel till now, then please click on subscribe and bell icon so that all our future videos will be in your inbox as and when we publish our new videos. Let us move on and understand the salaries of manual tester with a range of experience from 1 year to 6 years of experience in this video. I've done a lot of research in Google and I have visited various sites before I putting this number. I have gathered all these numbers by doing a lot of research on the internet, and this is the numbers I could arrive after doing a lot of research on different portals. The first city, which is top city in India, which is IT capital of India, is Bangalore. For a manual tester, the salary is ranging from 2.5 lakhs to 9 lakhs if you are just bringing a manual testing experience. With 1 years of experience, you may get it around 2.5 lakhs, and if you have experience of 2 to 3 years of experience, you can get anywhere from up to 4.5 lakhs, and if you are up to 5 to 6 years of experience, you can get anywhere up to 9 lakhs. If you can see here, right, your journey of software can be starting from 2.5 lakhs to maximum 9 lakhs with the experience of 1 year to 6 years of experience in Bangalore IT capital for a manual tester. The next city is Hyderabad. So Hyderabad for manual tester, if you can see right, low side is 1.5 lakhs. 1.5 lakhs is a lowest side which is in Hyderabad. For entry level, people do get up to 1.5 lakhs as a beginner, and as you move on, the maximum salary up to 6 years of experience they may get is 8 lakhs, and with the 2 to 3 years of experience they may be getting around 3.5 lakhs. Then the next city which is competing with Bangalore, which is Pune. So if you can see, right, the salaries in Pune is little higher side compared to Bangalore. Maybe the reason would be the scarcity of the resources in Pune, and as well maybe the kind of projects available in Pune is very high, but availability of resources are very less. Hence, the salaries are little competitive compared to Bangalore. The Pune city people can expect 2.6 lakhs for the beginners with 1 years of experience, and can get up to 6 years of experience can get up to 14 lakhs, and anywhere from 2 to 3 years of experience resource may get up to 6 lakhs, which is very competitive compared to Bangalore, which is little higher salaries as well for software tester in the manual testing space. The next city is Mumbai. So Mumbai here also, if you can see, right, the beginners they may get little higher salary, 3 lakhs, and mid also can get up to 6 lakhs, and maximum is up to 10 lakhs they may get it for 6 years of experience. The next city is Gurgaon. If you can see, right, the lowest level is still here 2 lakhs, but maximum is 11 lakhs, which is equally competing with Pune and Bangalore. Pune is 14 lakhs and Bangalore is 9 lakhs. Gurgaon is also equally competing for the top range, which is 11 lakhs. Then the Chennai is starting salary for a fresher or a 1 years of experience is 2 lakhs, and maximum is 8.5 lakhs for experience of 6 years of experience. If we can compare all the cities now, at least Pune will come as a top for manual testing jobs and the salary also little higher. But the lowest side of the salaries compared to any cities in India is Hyderabad, which is getting little lesser salary. Maybe the people are very much there, maybe demand is lesser, but people are availability is more in Hyderabad. Maybe because of that, salaries in Hyderabad is little lesser compared to any other city. Similarly, in Pune, maybe the demands are very high, people availability are less. So hence, maybe Pune, the salaries are little higher. At least I am hoping you guys got clear idea how much in Indian cities, especially the top cities like the Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, Mumbai, Gurgaon, Chennai, people are getting the salaries in the manual testing field. I am hoping you guys really enjoyed watching this video. If you really enjoyed watching this video, then please click on subscribe and bell icon so that all our future videos will be in your inbox as and when we publish our new videos. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.